Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make Kutch's famous recipe dabeli. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will required are 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 black cardamom, 15 to 20 black pepper, 3 to 4 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste, 5 boiled and mashed potatoes, 6 dabeli bread, 1 bowl of dates and tamarind sweet chutney, 1 tablespoon of garlic chutney, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 bowl of pomegranate, 1 bowl of masala peanut, 1 bowl of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 bowl of nylon sev, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of oil and water. First, put in a pan coriander seeds, black cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coconut, red chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida, sugar, salt and dry roast it for 1 minute. Now let it cool down. Once it cools down, grind it coarsely. Next, in a same pan, put oil, grinded masala, dates tamarind chutney and saute for 1 minute. Mashed potatoes, salt and mix well. Now add little water and mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now remove prepared mixture in a plate. On this put coconut, pomegranate, masala peanuts, coriander leaves and sev. This stuffing is ready. Now slit bread from these two sides. Now spread garlic chutney, dates tamarind chutney. Now put little stuffing in it. Put onions, put garlic chutney, dates tamarind chutney and put stuffing. Now take little butter in a pan and roast dabeli from both the sides. Now dip this dabeli in sev from both the sides. Prepare all dabeli the same way. Hot and spicy dabeli is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.